I'm from Venezuela. I live in Valencia. I have a degree in mother languages, specialized business. I graduated from University Arturo Michelena 5 years ago. After that, I got a job as a teacher in a school in Pennsylvania, United States. I worked there for a year. After that, I got a job at the embassy in my country. I worked there for 2 years. And then I decided to make a course of French in France. I studied there for 6 months, and then I moved to Portugal with my sister. I lived there for 4 months and I learned Portuguese. After that, I came back to my country. What I can offer you is that I'm a very proactive person. I'm very organized. If there is any problem, I like to solve it at the moment. And I'm very punctual and responsible. I'm good with teamwork, and I'm also good with interpersonal relationships. Thank you.